Alright guys, so today we're gonna finish off the build since I got my parts in, and you guys missed the unboxing because the camera wasn't on, so that's my fault guys, my bad. Anyways, it wasn't even in box, it was like a white bag. So I have the parts out here already, and what I'm gonna put in first is the mag release and the crazy scary button, California button. Well, this ain't the California button, but I don't want that California button at all. Let's not mention that ugly button. So we get the mag release. Let me get our little button. Screw in. Screw in a little bit of the thread. There we go. Let me make that go through nicely. Once it's through, we can do our little spinning. There we go. There we go. It's nice, look at that. Nice and flush. Beautiful, beautiful. Maybe it's maybe a little bit too flush. One less. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not that many. There we go. There we go. Yes, beautiful. Alright. And I already pounded in the other little pin from the, trigger guard. So next video will be in my garage.